We have a VP Calais here with a 5-litre supercharged engine, which has blown the motor. Has it blown the motor, you reckon? Or?
No, I don't know if it's blown the motor. It bent the rods.
Bent the rods.
So rods have been replaced and it has not been started since.
We're going to try and start it now. We're just jump starting it off this Astra. See if this thing will start. Should sound pretty angry. Hasn't started since he bent the rods. Oh. Tough.